Get excited, as in this lesson you will learn a fundamental, yet often neglected best practice that shows attention to detail and an advanced Excel skill set. Beauty saving is what we should do whenever we prepare a file that is going to be sent to superiors at work, other colleagues, external partners, consultants, or God forbid, tax authorities. Excel works in the following way. If you save and close a file and then reopen it again, you will find yourself in the exact same place where you were immediately before saving and closing the file. Said with other words, Excel memorizes your position and starts from where you left off. That's a good thing in general. However, it can be a bit messy and strange for other people if they open your file and find themselves in cell R150. I'm sure you'll agree that this is a bit disorganized and untidy. Moreover, this is valid for all sheets within a workbook. When you open them, you'll find yourself in the last active cell. See? This isn't optimal when sending the file to others. A preferable approach would be to deliver each sheet saved in a coherent way, starting from the beginning of the sheet, the top left, cell A1. Okay, to do that easily and implement the beauty saving technique across all sheets within a workbook, select cell A1 across all sheets within a workbook, and then simply save the file. Of course, the next time I open the file, the active cell in all sheets will be A1. Excellent! Now that you know how to beauty save your models, it would be great if you get used to applying this technique when sending your file to others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next lesson.